The Welsh food and drink industry is growing. While other parts of the economy are struggling, employment in food manufacturing is expected to grow by 4% in the next decade. That means there are job opportunities in a huge variety of areas, from production and marketing to hospitality and leisure. It's an exciting time to get involved with food in Wales.
Things are moving forward at a pace. We have a quality product to offer, and I think that's increasingly appreciated across the UK and beyond. And so for those people getting involved in the industry, the opportunities are opening up. It's more exciting than ever. It's knowledge-based. It's about knowing about the wonderful things that we have to offer and being able to translate that to the consumer. And we need people to do that more than ever. The people are definitely here in Wales. What we need in the industry is people that are passionate about food and drink, that have a real love for it, because it's those kind of people that are prepared to make a long-term commitment to it, they're prepared to pick up knowledge over a period of time, and they'll be the ones that can actually take the industry forward.
And it seems that consumers are getting behind Welsh food and its producers.
My favourite Welsh food's got to be cow. It's so healthy for you and it just tastes so nice.
Or puddings, roughly Welsh cakes.
Something with a bit of meat on it. Bit of Sunday dinner now.
We get a lot of people asking where we buy our meats from, and we can tell them that it is local.
We love our food in Wales, but will the Welsh workforce have the right skills to meet the challenges ahead? According to employers, almost half their staff have a technical skills gap. A quarter of Welsh companies have problems recruiting staff, and many say they need more IT skills to help market their products. Even the more established companies can't afford to get complacent.
Over the last four or 5 years, there's been more availability of information, courses, and I've been able to improve myself and my skills as well, and develop the ones I had before into something that I could practically use. That's the fundamental reason why we're here, really, is the basic skills, whether it be in the cleaning of equipment, to the actual handling of the milk and actually the curds and the cheeses. It's all very important to the final product, and at the end of the day, hopefully the customer will feel that difference.
The food and drinks industry already employs more than 200,000 people, making it Wales's single biggest employer, generating an impressive £6.5 billion a year in sales. But more passionate and enthusiastic people are needed to drive the industry forward. Research by the Welsh Food and Drink Skills Project has found that the sector will require 75,000 new skilled recruits by 2020. They've launched the Future Skills Food for Thought campaign to find new entrants and upskill those already working in the sector. The project is now looking for 25 ambassadors to represent the industry, from market stall holders and chefs to large and small food producers. The ambassadors will share their experience and knowledge to encourage and develop the next generation of Welsh food heroes.